He has to die now. This one has a dimmer, and this one will be horn enabled. The only reason I'm doing this is because I wanted more toggle switches. I could have 100% gone the non-toggle switch way, and it would have been fine. I just wanted to keep going like that. So let's get to business. So I took no measurements on the dashboard, and I drilled 2 pilot holes. I'm just gonna send it. Anyways, so now we're gonna go in with our Christmas tree bit, and then we're going to... I'm not gonna bore you guys with the wiring anymore, but appreciate this little wire I made. This is a Jumpy McGee. And now with the 2 pilot holes that I just made off camera, we can drill them out and mount them, and hopefully they don't interfere with each other. Believe me, I took no measurements. Let's go. And here we go. That's 1. I wonder if the faster speed was the better option. I think that looks pretty good. Let's put a little smiley face on that. Hold on, I don't know how to edit, but I'm pretty sure I can draw something. So now I can grab these guys. So I severely overestimated the size of the ring terminal. So I gotta redo Jumpy McGee. All right, so we redid Jumpy McGee. Here was his counterpart that he wasn't good enough. So unfortunately, the original Jumpy McGee, he has to die now because he's not good enough. Anyways, I'm gonna pre-add the wires to my switches just to make my life easier because I don't want to go all back there behind the dash after I throw these in. And this is gonna be the main power wire that's running up to the fuse block I have set up in the trough, I guess. That's for the windshield wipers. So I'm gonna assemble the connectors and I'll come right back. Do you like my creation? I could have made Jumpy McGee a little bit shorter, but all right, time to throw this in and end the video because I'm tired. I forgot the nameplates. So this one as the dimmer, and this one will be the horn enable. I'm just gonna take a second to appreciate my interior. Just need a shift knob. Well, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna go to bed now. Goodbye.